Let's do another example of finding HCF. Hopefully everything will be included on the board. Now we start with the list. Prime number, obviously you will get 36. You try again with 2, you will get 18. You try 2 into 18, you will get 9. But we can no longer use 2 into 9. We go for the next prime number, which is 3. 3 into 9 is 3, and then 3 into 3 into 3 is 1. So as a result, 72 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 2, I bet, times 2 here, and then times 3 times 3. Then we will move on to 108. So let's see what we have for 108. So we will try 2 into 108, you will get 54. You will try 2 into 54, you will get 27. You will say 3, because you can no longer use 2. Into 27, you will get 9. Then we use 3 again into 9, you will get 3. Then we try 3 into 3, we will get 1. So notice what has happened there. So it means that we've got 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, so now we've got 108. Then we have those numbers which we will use, which is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So with HCF now, we are now simply saying that if you now want to find the HCF, we move on to here. Now, if you want to find the HCF, what are you going to do? You are going to pair. So this pair is represented by what? By a 2. This pair is also going to be represented by what? By another 2. Then, now you observe that this other pair there has nothing to match with it. So as a result, what are you going to do? We are then going to move on. This one has nothing to pair with it beneath. But then we have this 3 here. It will pair with that. Okay? And then this 3 will also pair with that. So now what we then have as HCF of 72 and 108 would be 2 by 2, which is 4, and then also we end up having 3 by 3, which is 9. So 4 by 9 would then give you 36. So hence that's what makes that's what we'll end up having to get as the HCF of 72 and 108. I hope this gets to make sense and reach home as well.